thanks for joining me today here at Perry Homes in Sweetwater. There are so many really good things about Sweetwater. The neighborhood will tell you about that later, but I'm gonna come show you this floor plan with Perry. Now, look, Perry's still building in this neighborhood, so there's other floor plans. If you're gonna want incentives and all of those things, definitely reach out to us here at the Night Group because we can give you all the incentives, all the other floor plans. We're gonna show you this floor plan first. Come check it out. This floor plan is actually in the Sweetwater community, which is a hill country community in the hill country of Austin. Now this is Sweetwater. Sweetwater has a ton of community amenities, as you're seeing here. There's 2 pools, there's tennis courts, there's soccer. There's so much cool stuff in this community. Plus there's tons of really great views. So we'll talk more about the community in the area later, but I wanted to show you this as to what you're getting in a community like this. So this is the Perry home floor plan, the 2373. And this is a great floor plan. As you're seeing here, it is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath. One thing that I think you'll like about this is that the front bedroom has a full bath in it. And then the other 2 bedrooms have a shared bath. And then the master bedroom, or the main bedroom, is all the way back in the back corner. So you have some really good separation. Some other things to note on this, there is a really great office as soon as you walk into the property. But everything really flows from front to back quite well. As you can see here, the kitchen goes to the dining room, goes to the living room. The master closet is big, and there's just a lot of space in this home for a 2,300 square foot home. This is great for young families. This is great if you're looking just to right size and you have people coming to visit all the time. Really great floor plan. Let's go in and check out the inside. What do you think so far though? So as you walk into this property, you're gonna see the office right off to your right or left, depending on which floor plan you do. You will see some variations because you'll have a left or right side garage, but this is the office. It's got really great windows and it's really got really great French doors in it. One thing that you may not get if you're gonna just build this on your own is the wainscoting in the back that you're seeing on this blue wall, or you may not be getting the blinds. Each builder has different incentives and different things that you can build in the home. So this may not come with blinds when you're buying it. So something you might wanna negotiate into the contract when you're building, unless you are buying this as an inventory home. Hopefully they have that. And we'll go through some of the upgrades throughout the process and throughout the walk of this home. But I love what they did with the wall here. Again, this is gonna be a pretty big upgrade. You could actually do this yourself after you close and probably save yourself a lot of money. A lot of clients that I work with really love a front office or an office space because so many people are work from home now. As we walk through the entry, you're gonna notice some really nice things about this. It's a big, wide open entry, 12-foot ceilings. You have this trade ceiling that they have here, big light fixtures. These are all add-ons that you can add on when you build a property like this, or they may, again, come as if you built an inventory home if they have this. But if you're looking at the kitchen, dining, and living areas, really nice that they have the lights in the ceiling so you don't have too many hanging lights. And it gives it, a really nice bright feel. What's cool about this floor plan though is there's enough windows here that you're actually getting a lot of natural light, especially if you're going to live out in a neighborhood like this. So this is just another really nice feature of this floor plan. Now, one thing I'd probably get rid of is that bookshelf right here. See with the china and the books on it? I'd probably get rid of this. I wouldn't put this in my house just because I feel like you could definitely get more space if you didn't have it there. I mean, what are your thoughts on this? I feel like it's just going to get in the way when you're walking down your hallway, because if you can see, the master bedroom or the main bedroom is behind that couch over there. Overall, really great wide open floor plan. I love the fireplace and what they did with the tile there. Now these are not wood floors, these are tile floors, something that you may want to look at when you're building your home. Do you do wood? Do you do tile? All of that's going to make a difference. A lot of my clients like the tile floors if they have pets or kids as well. Again, I like the openness of the floor plan here. I like that they've added the cabinets off to the side over there as an addition to the kitchen. What are your thoughts on additional storage space there? Again, the fireplace looks great. This is definitely going to be an add-on, a structural add-on if you are building a home. Now, all of this is going to be an add-on, especially that tile. That's like a level 7 tile. So that's going to be an additional cost. Get with me if you want to find out the cost to add in a fireplace. I've seen prices kind of all over the board, especially with Perry Homes, but they usually have pretty good pricing on their upgrades. Now, I like what they've done here where you have the two-tone. So you have the white cabinets against the wall, and the island is that black or dark brown color. It looks great. I like the backsplash on this. I don't know what you think. I'm a big fan of this hex. Again, this is going to be a decent upgrade. You're probably not going to get this in your home. You might pick something different when you're building a home. What's great about this is you can pick any levels of upgrades. Now, when you're building a home like this is all like to the nines, this property right here. And so the builder's going to pick out all the best features and upgrades. So you may not get this big countertop, right? These are 3-centimeter countertops. Maybe you get a 2-centimeter countertop. I always like the 3 centimeters myself, but it is going to add to the cost of the build. So a property like this might cost you, let's say it's $450 is the base price. And then you have the price of the lot, which is going to be, $30,000 maybe, and then all of these upgrades. Like these stainless appliances that I'm showing you right here, those are also going to be an upgrade. Now, you do get stainless appliances in a lot of the Perry's homes, but that's going to be an upgraded feature for that specific one. Just like this faucet, just like this countertop, what you're seeing with the backsplash, the lights, all of these are going to be upgrades that you may have to consider when you're looking at building. Some of these things maybe you don't want to put in yourself, like the lights. Something like that you may put in afterwards. So some things our clients think about when they're doing new construction like this is, what costs can I save right off the bat? I would definitely add in the appliances because those are going to be harder to change out than maybe a light fixture and the backsplash. What upgrades do you typically like to add in that you don't want to put in afterwards? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you on that. In a second, we're going to talk about the community and what you get in this specific community. But overall, I really like this open floor plan. I really like how it flows. What are your thoughts? Let's talk community. So let's start off talking about schools. Now, when people reach out to me looking for really good schools for their kids, there's a few different school districts. Now, Lake Travis is one of those school districts that overall, the entire school district, if you go to niche.com, is rated an A. So this community goes to 3 different schools in the Lake Travis community. Number 1, it goes to Rough Hollow Elementary. According to Niche, this is rated an A-. It's really, really good for an elementary school, especially in the Texas area. If you look at the Texas scores, not all of Texas has really, really good educational scores. So having that score for an elementary is fantastic. Plus, it's really close to the community. It's not a far drive. So I've had clients that have kids in the elementary and they absolutely love it. All right, so let's talk about the middle school. The middle school here is Lake Travis Middle School. Now, this is also rated an A by niche.com. So maybe you have a kid going 6th to 8th grade or transitioning soon in 6th to 8th grade, and you want a really, really good school district for them. Look, middle school here, fantastic. I actually have clients as well that have kids here, and they absolutely love it. Now, let's talk about what you want to hear about, which is the high school. So the high school out here is Lake Travis High School. Notable people that have gone to this high school are a guy called Baker Mayfield. Anybody heard of a guy named Baker Mayfield? Might be a, NFL football player. Yeah, Lake Travis is known for their football program. It's known for the academics, also rated an A by niche.com. So when you're looking at an area like this, you're probably saying, Jeremy, what's the shopping? What's the nightlife? What's the rest of that stuff look like? So let's talk about the Galleria. So right next to this area, about 10 minutes away, is the Hill Country Galleria. There's a Whole Foods in there. There's bookstores in there. There's tons of great restaurants. And so right off 620, then you can actually go in. There's Target. There's a lot of really, really good restaurant stores right off 620 that get into Lakeway. So you have all the things you're going to want in Lakeway. You have them right here. And on top of that, the Hill Country Galleria has so many good restaurants. I mean, if you're a Chili's person, there's Chili's there. If you're wanting high-end fine dining, there's the League. There's a lot of really good restaurants there. So the location for really good fine dining is great. So let's get back to this floor plan because I know you definitely want to see it. So let's see it. This is again is the 2373. This is the front bedroom that we showed you on that floor plan. So a couple different things you can do with this. You can have the bathroom just open to the living room, or you could just make it for this front bedroom. But this is what you're gonna get. It's a good sized bedroom. Definitely good for guests or for that kid that wants to be able to sneak out the front window. Just kidding, we don't want that. So this is the bath. On this floor plan, they actually had it connected to the hallway and not to the bedroom itself. So it's an option you can do there. But you're getting a full stand-up bath here. Some people would choose to do maybe a full bath, maybe not a full shower like they did here. Here is the secondary bedroom that you're gonna have in this. Again, I love this floor plan because you do have a lot of natural light that you do get here. I like what they did with some of the soccer balls and incorporating some of that stuff, but a good sized room here for the number 2 bedroom or number 3 bedroom, however you're gonna look at that. Now this is the half bath. Actually, this is the full bath that connects the 2 bedrooms here down the hallway, which we showed you on the floor plan earlier. I like that they did some really good upgrades with this. One thing you'll notice, there's a nitro swimming sign on there. I talked about that. Really great swim center out in this area in the hill country. Yet this is what you're getting. This is the 3rd bedroom, not the main or the master bedroom. So pretty good bedroom here, good size, and all these bedrooms are fairly good size. Now let's talk about Perry Homes. Now Perry Homes is a pretty good builder throughout the area. We've had several clients that have built with Perry Homes. Now with Perry Homes, like any builder, you can run into problems and run into a lot of them. And it's not just Perry Homes yet. Again, we've run into problems with Perry Homes ourselves with our clients. So just make sure you're using a really good realtor that can actually help you through this. You can find some of their floor plans on their website, but if you are looking for a specific floor plan, a specific neighborhood, we have contacts with pretty much all the reps in town. So we'd love to put you in touch and make sure you get what you're looking for. Again, the reps for these builders definitely work for the builder, not you. So have a good agent help you out. All right, now we're gonna look at the master bedroom. I love what they've done with this master. Now, something you can do is bump these windows out and do a bay window. Not done on this one just because of the topography it looks like. Yet what you do get is a sliding door. Now this isn't gonna be standard. A lot of times they do like French half doors for this. So something if you wanted this door upgrade. The light fixture in here is really, really big and nice. I like that as well. When you step inside the bathroom, I'm a big fan of the separate tub like this, and then you have the shower on the other side of the wall there. Now you do get 2 vanities here, so it's not a dual vanity, but you get 2 separate vanities, which is nice because you almost have a his and a hers. And then we haven't even shown you the shower yet. We're gonna show you in a second. I really like what they've done with this. Yeah, overall, just a really great floor plan, a really great master bath, lots of natural light in this one. Again, I think I've said that like 9 times in this video. Shower looked fantastic. The overall house design is pretty nicely done. Some of these great features that you're gonna upgrade for, but love. I definitely love the patio. So definitely take a look at maybe upgrading the patio and doing the extended patio as a feature on this home as well. Jeremy Knight, the Knight Group, you saw this home. It's time for you to do one of 2 things. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe. The other is to give us a call if you want to find out more information, more incentives, find out more information about buying a home. Jeremy Knight, the Knight Group, I am your favorite Austin realtor.